Hello, friends. This week we have been working hard on those plain line letters, and I'm so proud of you and how well you're doing with them. We're going to get a little bit of extra practice today. So to start, we're going to drill sounds. So get ready. Remember, me first, then when you see this guy, echo. We're not taking selfies. We're making a video. Echo. Okay. All right. So echo. After I say it, you're going to go up and they're going to repeat it. Okay, guys? All right. Here we go. J, jug, j. P, pan, p. U, up, R, rat, I, itch, I. N, nut, n. M, man, Thank you for practicing with me. Next, you are going to watch the video that reminds you about the skyline and the plane line and the grass line and that very bottom line. Remember what it's called? The worm line. And you're going to practice making those letters. Then you're going to send them to me so I can see what a great job you did. All right. See you in the next video.